Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing with some makeup. So let's just go and play with makeup. Also, I need to do my root soon, so stay tuned if you want to watch that. That's coming up. So I'm going ahead and prime my face first. I'm using Dr. Brand's Pores No Mores again, usually. After I prime my face, I am going to moisturize it. You can use any moisturizer you want, but I use the MAC Mineralized Charged Water. I kind of tap it a little bit, kind of like a little facial, but it kind of helps it dry faster. Yay! Go ahead and grab any of your color corrector. Get your foundation brush and your foundation. Boop, boop. Today I'm using MAC Studio Fix Fluid NC42. Then I'm taking my Morphe Beauty Blender and my MAC Pro Long Concealer. Yep, MC25. I'm just gonna take one pump there. Boop. That's all you need. This thing's pretty thick. Then I'm just going to set that in with a little powder. I like to use the MAC Studio Fix. Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I'm just gonna spray it and melt the powder into my face. Then I just wipe off the excess on my lips and on my brow. But I'm just gonna go lightly fill in the brows where it feels, you know, a little empty. I'm taking my MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. So pretty. Then I'm taking my MAC highlighter brush, 240S. Then I'm taking the same Soft and Gentle. This is one of my favorite highlighters right now. And then I'm taking my Morphe, it's like more rounder brush. So it's like right here. Then I'm going to contour my nose a bit. I'm going to use just a light brown powder by CoverGirl. E62 brush first. It's an angled brush. M433 brush to buff it down my nose. Let's go. The Morphe Luminous Setting Spray.